Golden Chicken Pilau. We have to see how it is made, because when I look at it itself, I'm hungry. So, of course, you too will be hungry when you see that. When you try it out, it will be nice. So, come, we will prepare this and see how the chicken pilau is done. To make the chicken golden pilau, I need the chicken cut into large pieces, which I have really cut into pieces with the bones. And then what I am doing is, I am going to season that. When I season it, main thing is, first of all, I need turmeric. Turmeric is very important. Then I need a little salt. Salt we can put. Right, mix it nicely. Pepper. Okay, I said little and I put a little more because to my palate I am doing. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to boil this. I take the pan and the lid is there. What I will do for the lid is, lid should not be put on the table. If you put it on the table, what happens? All the dust will be on that. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to boil the chicken. Cooking rice, we love it. Everybody like different type of rices. Rice to be prepared. Now today we are doing golden rice. So we will see how the golden rice is going to be. The raw meat, raw chicken I have taken. So the raw chicken, you can see water comes out from that. In that water itself, allow it to get cooked. A tablespoon of ghee and a little bit of oil. Oil and ghee I have put. Now I will put the onions, shredded onions. Enough onions put. Garlic, that is also shredded. Pandan leaf, that is called rampa in our country. Rampa is called pandan leaf, that is also put. Curry leaves, stir fry this. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to use the rice, sambar rice. If I am using basmati rice, I soak it in water for 10 minutes, strain and use it. If I am using sambar rice, straight away wash it and use. There should not be water. For 1 cup of rice, 2.5 cups of stock. Chicken stock you can use. Oh, not enough stock. So what will I do for this? I need 2.5 cups, no? So balance I will use water. 2.5. So altogether, but with this cup only I took. So 1 cup of rice, 2.5 cups of stock and balance water I have used. Generally, we don't put much of salt, but for this I will use a little salt. The rice has to be tasty. Then I am going to use something, that is, I won't use any of these ingredients for the time being, but only thing I am going to use is a little more turmeric. We said golden, so we need, if I was using sambar rice, 2.5 cups of stock and water. If I am using basmati rice, only 2 cups of water, stock and water. Now I cook this. Once I cook it, we will see what and what ingredients we are going to use it. Once the rice is cooked, we can see how it comes. Oh, it's lovely. And I'm going to put the yogurt. 1 cup yogurt I'm using. 1 cup yogurt. Tomatoes, sultanas. Prefer a little ghee at the end of it. And a little cinnamon powder. The rice is ready. The golden chicken pilau is ready. A bit of coriander leaves. I off the cooker and I put the coriander leaves into it. Now the tomatoes have got cooked and everything is cooked here nicely, and we will take this now. So chicken pilau. This pilau is served. Very simple pilau. It's served with coconut flakes. Slightly you use coconut flakes. It's so nice, and serve this. This is my version of the pilau. This is my version of the golden chicken pilau. You can try it out and see how it comes, because this is something different to the normal preparation. I'm still hungry because when I look at it, I want to try it out again. So what about you? You too must try it out and see how it comes. This is my version of the golden chicken pilau. And I have put a little coconut flakes also on top, and it will be really nice, and it has a different taste and flavor, and hope you will also enjoy this. And another episode, we will meet you soon so that you can tell me how you feel about it and how you like it, and comment on it. Thank you very much for watching.